Working with XnView batch processing and ran into an XBS script file. These are automation scripts that can save tons of time on image batch operations. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll show you how to view, edit, and run these XnView script files. Based on my professional background, there's always a secret weapon for deeply corrupted XBS files. This advanced, near-guaranteed solution can be downloaded now. XBS. Files are script files used by XnView and XnView MP image viewer applications for batch processing automation. They contain sequences of image manipulation commands, enabling automated resize, convert, rename, watermark, and other operations across multiple image files in efficient batch workflows. XBS. Script files use XnView's scripting syntax with command directives, parameter specifications, and file path references in plain text format. The structure includes operation sequences with input-output parameters, image transformation settings, and conditional logic, following XnView's documented batch processing scripting specification. In most cases, XBS files work best with XnConvert created by XnSoft. Windows can read the file name, but the internal archive contents require specialized extraction. Windows does not execute them automatically, so they must be run through an interpreter or shell. We need to force an application assignment. Right-click your XBS file and select Open With. If XnConvert is installed, test it. If it's unavailable, select another program. Testing is the most direct path to the fix. When your XBS file isn't responding, don't worry, it's typical. Before the final solution, let's grasp the mechanics of the error. Here are the technical reasons this XBS format is causing you grief. First, opening in XnView MP. Launch XnView MP and access batch processing through Tools, then Batch Processing, or Batch Convert. Load the XBS file using the script import option to populate the batch operation list. Review the script commands and modify parameters as needed before executing the batch operation on selected images. Next, editing in text editor. Open the XBS file in Notepad++ or Sublime Text for direct script editing. The plain text format allows manual modification of commands, parameters, and file paths. Save changes and reload the script in XnView MP to apply your customizations to the batch processing workflow. Finally, creating new scripts. Generate new XBS scripts within XnView MP by configuring batch operations through the graphical interface and saving the configuration as a script file. This visual approach simplifies script creation by letting you select operations through menus rather than writing script syntax manually. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When your file is still locked, the issue is almost certainly due to its niche format, which few programs recognize. FileMagick specializes in reading these obscure file types. Visit filemagick.com for more info. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.